Guys, I welcome my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, karibu sana. Yeah, so my name is Alice Emmy, or you can call me Alice, any that you love and prefer calling me, or you can even call me Emmy. Okay, so we are talking about a monthly planning, or we are talking about planning in general, like how are you able to have your finances and manage your finances, and just to make sure that you don't run out of cash throughout the month. Yes, and yet you're paid. Yeah, so a lot of people have been asking me how I'm able to, how I'm able to manage my finances, and at the same time I'm able to build myself, and yet I don't earn much. Yes. Yeah, so here is my experience on about how I'm able to manage my finances to the extent that I fix myself, or I'm able to fix myself within the month. Yes, so if you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, such that each time I make a video or each time I upload a video, you are among the first people to watch that video. Yes, you know what that means. You are among the first people to know what I was talking about, or what the video was all about. So before anyone comes and tells you, there's something I saw on YouTube and then blah blah blah, you're like, nigga, I was able to watch it first. Yeah, so kindly subscribe to the channel. I'm so glad for the support. I really appreciate you guys, for you have been so supportive. And we are growing one step at a time. Okay, getting back to the point, how I manage my finances is, first you need to know, it all starts with how much you earn. Yes, how much do you earn monthly, how much do you earn weekly, how much do you earn daily. You see that? Yeah, so if you get to know that, because we have people who are earning monthly, we have people who are earning weekly, we have those that are being paid daily. Yeah, so any of them can be able to sustain themselves throughout the month if you plan yourself out. It's what I can say. Yeah, so as long as you get to know how much you earn, even if you're being paid monthly, it is very important for you to know how much it is weekly and how much it is daily. You see that? Yeah, so it is very important. Know how much before you start anything, because we have people who are earning like 100k or 50k, and they don't know how to plan for their money. And you who is earning at 10k, you're able to sustain yourself throughout the month, and then someone who is earning 100k is not able to sustain themselves, basically maybe because they don't plan, as in anything they want, they get it at any time. Like if they want to eat anything, if they want to buy anything, like money is like air. If you want to buy something, depending on your budget, it can even go, you can even spend 100k in a day. Yeah, it's possible. But how are you able to plan for that money? It's important. So we start with how much we earn. Point number one. Point number two is laying a plan. That is an annual plan. Annual plan, you're going to sit down and lay out what you want to achieve 2022 or 2022, I can say, because we are in this year. Yes, sit down, lay a plan. I want to buy this, I want to buy this, I want to go to school, I want to do this, I want to do this, I have to buy to build for my mama house, I want to get this, I want to get this. Yes, so you have laid your annual plan. Annual plan is there. So for the annual plan, you need to know, depending on how much you earn, you need to know how much you are going to achieve monthly on your annual plan. Let me assume that you have 15 items you've laid on your plan, and all of them need money. But remember, for you to achieve the annual plan, you must have been consistently achieved your monthly plans. Yes, I hope I'm not too serious. Yeah, so make sure that you've laid your annual plan, and then from that you're able to know what are you starting with monthly. Because not everything that is on the list can take up a month. You're going to find that maybe some items are cheaper, and you can be able to achieve 2 items in a month. You're going to find that maybe one are more expensive, and you'll have to spend to save for more 2 months to achieve them. Yeah, so annual plan, divide it to a monthly plan, and if possible you can even be able to divide it to a weekly, to a daily, but that is for daily earners or weekly earners. For a monthly earner, it will still remain monthly, because if I'm getting a 10k and I have 10 ideas or 10 on my list that I want to achieve in 2022, it means that each month I'll have to save for an item. I'll have to achieve for at least 1 item each month. Yes, depending on you as a person. Yeah, so I don't want to go so much deep. And point number 3 is write down make a monthly list. Yes, so you know how much you earn. You've noted down an annual plan, of which you have also done a breakdown on how you'll be what you'll be achieving first each month. The next thing is laying a monthly list, or creating a monthly list. A monthly list, now it will help you manage your month throughout. One, you're earning 10k, okay, you're earning 30k a month. You have rent, you have to do shopping, you have transport, you have what else? What bills, like their bills. So you need to make a plan monthly. Remove money for rent, remove money for the shopping, remove money for transport, remove money for the upkeep. That is how I normally do. And then you're going to realize that maybe after you doing all those, you know what you're spending and what you're remaining with. Now, out of 30k, you're remaining with, let me assume, at 10k. You go back to your plan and know this 10k, what can it do on my plan? What can it buy on my plan? What can it contribute on my plan? And then you're going to decide either to save it and then wait for you to get another finances and then add it up and then achieve something, or you're going to buy something straight, or do something with it, depending on what you have planned for you as a person. Yeah, so I'm taking you back. 1, how much you're earning, and your plan, break it down to a month. Number 3 is make a monthly plan. Make sure that you manage your finances, and you have discipline. If you don't have discipline with money, you're going to find that you've not achieved anything. If you don't have discipline with your money, you're going to find that you have not achieved anything. Because let me give you an example. We women, we love good shoes, we love good cars, we love good clothes, we love good hair. You get it? So it all takes you back to discipline. I mean, you want to buy a laptop, but at the same time you want to buy an expensive hair, or you want to buy a nice shoe. So which one is important for you? A laptop that you've laid on your plan, or a nice hair? I'm not saying that you have to be mean on yourself, no, but you have to have discipline. You got to have discipline, and that will help you a lot to achieve your goals. Yo. So I've mentioned that was, we on what, number 4, which is discipline, and make sure that you only how can I call it, prioritize this English. Make sure that you look out on your list, make sure that you consider things that are important for you. Some that are not so much important and can wait, you can always push them to the next month, or to the other month, or to the other month. But make sure that you look at what is much more important, or what matters most. The last one is accountability. Now, people do accountability mostly when there are other people whom they are working for. They do accountability when they have been sent on an errand. Maybe it is someone's money. But have you thought about doing accountability on your own money? Yes. For example, you know how you laid a plan, you have a list, and you have to get back and sit and know if whatever that you were able to buy are the things that you really wanted to buy. Was there something that you really put up and it wasn't meant to be there? You see that? Yeah. So one, as I sum up this video, one is how much are you getting monthly. 2 is laying an annual plan, break it to a monthly plan. So meaning that make sure at every month you achieve something. Number 3 is writing down and making a list. We only make shopping lists, but it's so unfortunate. Me, I have a book here. It is your money, but you know, if you don't have a list, I have a book here, and it has a lot. You see, this is end of October. It has end of October. It has starting from rent, going to power, going to internet, going to the monthly shopping, going to my upkeep, the amount of money that I'm meant to have with me that can push me to the month. It has what I want to achieve on that month. That of course is on the annual list. You see, annual plan. So it's so important to have that monthly list. You've walked on the street, you've seen a nice shoe, and then you're like, let me take it home. It's going to affect your budget. It's going to affect your budget, because that wasn't on your plan, unless when you've gotten an extra amount to spend. It is okay. And then the last one is accountability. Yeah. So guys, for me, that is how I normally do I budget myself out monthly. Like, it is a must. Like, I have a book, like it has January, it has February, it has March, and each month I have to go back and see. Of course, in most month, like 90% of my month, I never go out of money. I never go out of money. Not because I earn a lot, no, but because I budget myself out, and what is not on my list, I will not buy it, however much I love it. If it is important for me to have it, I'll just write it down and push it on the next month. Yeah. So I make sure I write out my list, and I'm able to manage myself. I manage my finances just like that. And it's really important, because each month, just imagine if you're able to do that every month, and you are not a low income earner, and maybe I can say you're earning some good money. It will help you save a lot, and it will help you achieve more and bigger things. It is really good to see yourself grow. I always tell people, if you are somewhere and you there is no growth around you, just know there is something wrong. As long as you're working, there is something wrong. That is why I so much love it when, I normally also tell people that it is very important to have a job. You're working so much, you're trying to achieve these people's targets. You try so much to achieve what they want, and it as a company, it's growing, and you see growth in the company. But it is always important that as the company you're working for is growing, you as a person, you are growing as well. Yeah, so guys, that was it for this video. If you've not been planning, please, you need to try it out at least this coming month. Try it out and then tell me how it will be. And lastly, have discipline with your money. Have discipline with your money. Yeah, so I hope you were able to learn about something, one or two, in this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm waiting for the comments. Please, let's have a discussion and tell me, how are you able to manage your month? What else do you advise someone to do for them to, to achieve what they want in life through planning? Yes, thank you so much. I hope you find this video helpful. Please give us a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Yes, and leave a comment, and do not forget to subscribe if you are a new person here. We love you so much. See you in the next video.